my name's Vickynicolee and welcome back to my channel. Today I look a little crazy, but we are doing a Fantastics Beast look. I did have a mini meltdown about in coming out as perfect as possible, but honestly there are so many things that we all kind of freak out about because it doesn't come out exactly how we want, but we still have to appreciate the fact that it still comes out beautiful. Sometimes we have this little bits of pieces of like this control in there and we can't keep controlling everything. We have to let go of control because sometimes beautiful things come from letting go of control. And I need to take my own advice, but I know I'm a little crazy. I am who I am. But you can join my crazy. We're all a little crazy, right? Right? Hopefully it's not just me, because if it is, then hopefully you're a little crazy too. You know, we could share the craziness, we could share our intensity, and we can come on this voyage, this Halloween voyage together, because within the beauty community, Halloween is not the 31st of October. Halloween is from the 1st of October all the way to the 31st. The entire month of October is Halloween in the beauty community, and I am so happy because if I had to hold on to it as just one day, I would be so sad, rather than this beautiful 1 month, which, I mean, to me it's technically 2 months because I start in September creating and planning and doing everything, but the whole point is that Halloween is not just one day. And actually, Halloween should be 24/7, every single day, 365 days a year. And I'm gonna try to add my creativity throughout the year rather than just during Halloween, because it gives me it's like a high. It's like my own little high, you know? And of course I have to glow up all the world with the beauty that goes on and add a little bit of specs, you know. This look actually did not come out that bad. So this is the end result. Not exactly how I envisioned it, but it is very unique, so I'm going to props to that and not have a semi freak out zone, because when things don't go the way I see it, sometimes I freak out, but sometimes a different kind of set of beauty comes into this. This is supposed to be a Fantastics Beast kind of look, and I guess it kind of is in my own unique little way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below your thoughts, who your favorite beast is in Fantastic Beasts, and subscribe to my channel. Join our beautiful little kingdom. I know I say this after every single video, but we are a little kingdom of craziness, and I just want as much positive and beautiful and amazing people to be a part of this as possible. I love you guys so much. Thank you for dealing with my craziness, even though it's only been a few videos, but love you guys. Bye.